I want to say a big thank you to the branding team for very kindly reaching out to me to offer me this amazing heating mat, which is perfect for big cookers, big entertainers, big families. If you do a lot of cooking where you have to juggle keeping food warm, which is an event in itself, trying to keep all of your food super warm, it is difficult. This will be your saver, perfect for things like Christmas, parties, Thanksgiving, anytime you've got lots of things to juggle, you want to keep nice and warm. The other reason why I was very excited to try it is that it's also, you can use it for proofing bread dough, and I like to bake, so this is going to be super valuable for me to do that. This is primarily for indoor use, but I know some people do use it outdoors for things like barbecues, camping, their travel vans, that kind of thing as well. It's this wonderful silicone layer here, and it's very thick. It is going to be, when it's on, it's going to be hot, so do not touch it with your hand. It is going to be super hot. That's the job it is doing. And on the back there are the heating elements, so that's why it's going to get super hot. Here we have the on and off and the temperature gauges as well, so you can change the temperature for whatever it is you're after. You just pop it away when you're not using it in the bag that does come with it, just for convenience. You just pop it in a drawer or in a cupboard and just get it out when you need it. What a fab little idea. I think it's really awesome. If you are into entertaining or doing a lot of juggling with your food, it's going to be really, really useful to have. Thank you again so much to the team for sending it out to me. I really do appreciate it. It's going to be really useful for me, particularly at Christmas time. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it.